Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 7 and we are going to present our project about banking credits. I am Fadila Fitina Fariza and the other members are Alisa Safira Marsal and Muhammad Sadikin. First is I'm going to explain about the contents of the video. First, we are going to explain about the definition of banking credit, advantages and disadvantages of these funding sources for the company. And third is funding type. Fourth is calculation of effective cost of funding sources. Five is this funding example in the real world. And six, interesting things. And seven is sources. First, I'm going to explain what is banking credit. Credit is the provision of money based on the agreement of the credit recipient with a certain period of time, along with a guarantee by paying a certain amount of interest. Meanwhile, banking is a business entity that collects funds from the public in the form of savings, then distribute them back to the community in the form of credit and others. The advantages of banking credit. First, relatively low interest rate. Second, there are many types of loans. Third, guaranteed safety. And fourth, there is no bank intervention in the business undertaken. The disadvantages of banking credit. First, of course, complicated process. And second, takes a lot of time. Third is risk of loss of collateral. And the fourth, the loan amount is estimated by the bank. Funding type. Funds sourced from the bank itself and funds from the outside parties. And third is funds sourced from the community. I'm going to explain about the funding type 1. First is paid-in capital. Paid-in capital is the amount of money that was effectively paid up by shareholder at the time the bank was established. Reserves, that is part of the bank's profitability, which is set aside in the form of capital reserves, which are used to cover future risks. And lastly, retained earning, which should belong to the shareholder, but by themselves, it was decided not to divide it and put back in working capital.
Funding type. Funds sourced from the outside parties. Call money. Call money is a daily interbank loan from the central bank or BI provides financial assistance known as liquidity credit from oversized bank. These loans from bank of the financial institution from abroad are usually in the form of medium-term loans from bank non-financial institute. Many of these loans are in the form of securities that can be traded before the maturity date, such as on-call deposits. Funding type. Funds from the wider community. Savings. Savings are savings which can only be withdrawn under certain agreed conditions and not by check or billiard, giro, or other equivalent instrument. Deposit. Time deposit or time deposit are third-party deposit with banks was withdrawals can only be made within a certain period of time based on the agreement. Current account or demand deposit. It is a from customer deposit with whether individuals, companies, institutions, or institution at a bank was withdrawals can be made at any time using check and giro billiard or other book transfer orders. Calculation of effect cost of funding source. 1. Historical average cost of funds method. 2. The WACC daily average method. 3. Marginal cost of fund method. Historical average cost of the fund method. In this method, the bank only adds up the cost of the rising funds divided by the total funds raised. The calculation from is as explained below.
Okay. The weighted daily average method. In this approach, we pay attention to the role of each source of funds, which is identified by the size of the composition of funds and other factors that affect the amount of funding cost. Number one, daily weight average cost of funds method. The calculation formula as explained below. Number two, annual weight average method. The composition of the funds is determined from the amount of each fund. Marginal cost and fund. This method is often used to make this decision when it comes to the need for placement of funds or credit to meet prime customer. The formulation as explained below. This funding example in the real world. Number one, KTA loans, credit card, host ownership credit. Number four, business credit. Number five, housing financing through a secondary housing financing company. Number six, motor vehicle loans. Interesting things. The purpose of credit, of obtaining the bank's income from loan interest, and utilizing and producing existing funds, carrying out bank operational activities, halving credit requests from the public, streamlining payment traffic, increasing the company working capital, credit function, become a motivator and dynamics in increasing trade and economic activities, expanding employment opportunities for the community, streamlining the flow of goods and money flow, improving international relations, LC, CG, and other, increasing the productivity of existing funds, increasing people, business, and enthusiasts, encouraging company capital, increasing the income per capita of the community.
Okay, I think that's all from our presentation. Thank you so much for listening and paying attention. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.